credits. Today we are going to study about chemical coordination in plants under biology. Plants can also respond to changes in environment for survival. The changes in environment is called stimuli. The stimuli can be light, gravity, water or something else. If the stimuli is light, we call that phototropism. The growth response to a directional stimuli is called tropism. And if the stimuli is gravity, we call that geotropism. The growth response can be towards the stimuli or away from the stimuli. If the response is towards the stimuli, we call that positive response. And if it is away from the stimuli, we call that negative response. Let's take the shoots. The shoots are growing upwards and the sunlight is always acting upwards. So, the shoots are growing in the direction of the sunlight, therefore we call that positive phototropism. And it is growing away from the gravity, therefore we call that negative geotropism. And if we take the roots are going to grow downwards in the direction of gravity. Therefore, it is showing positive geotropism and negative phototropism. The auxin is a plant hormone that is responsible to control the growth of plants, and it can be seen in the tip of growing shoots and roots, and it is able to diffuse to other parts of the stems and roots. Auxin makes the cells behind the tip get longer. Therefore, more auxin present, the more the shoot can grow. If the light shines in all the direction of the tip, the auxin diffuses evenly and it makes the shoot grow straight without any bending. This is what usually happens in the environment. But if the light is coming from one direction, the unidirectional light will cause the auxin to diffuse to the shaded area. So it causes the shaded area to grow more faster than the sunny area. So it makes the shoot to bend towards the sunlight. This is actually positive phototropism. This is beneficial for the plants to gain more sunlight for the photosynthesis. I hope you all understand what is chemical coordination in plants. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.